where you explore exciting career paths. And today we are diving into natural language processing or NLP. We'll understand the core techniques which are used in NLP. We'll also discuss about skills and knowledge required for a successful NLP career. And at the end, we'll discuss about career paths and roles and responsibilities of an NLP engineer. And we have few techniques to perform this text pre-processing. Guys, I'm not sure when you're watching this video, these requirements will be available or not. So I'm a little bit confused about this job description, right? So the title says ML NLP engineer, which is nothing but natural language understanding, natural language processing, natural language generation from UPLUS, which is paying you 45 to 60 LPA for 3 to 6 years of experience. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashok. I welcome you all to our Career Talk series where you explore exciting career paths in the world of technology. And today we are diving into natural language processing or NLP. In this video, briefly we'll see what is natural language processing, we'll understand the core techniques which are used in NLP and discuss about few applications of natural language processing. We'll also discuss about skills and knowledge required for a successful NLP career, and at the end we'll discuss about career paths and roles and responsibilities of an NLP engineer according to the current market research or the market trends. So let's understand what is natural language processing or NLP. Now, this NLP is a branch or a field of artificial intelligence which focuses on the interaction between the machines or the computers and the human language. Its goal is to enable the computers or the machines to process, understand, and generate human language in a meaningful way. Now, let's understand the core techniques which are used in natural language processing. So, what we'll do in the first step is perform text pre-processing, and this text pre-processing is very important step in case of natural language processing. And we have few techniques to perform this text pre-processing. For example, stop word removal, stemming, lemmatization, bag of words, and TF-IDF. In the second step, in tokenization, what we'll do, we'll break down the bigger text into smaller units like the words or the tokens. The third step is the POS tagging or the part of speech tagging. So here it typically deals with the grammar of a specific language, and it helps in identifying the grammatical function of each word in a sentence. For example, noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective. So the fourth step is NER, named entity recognition. It helps in recognizing and classifying the named entities in a text or in a sentence. For example, if you want to find out the people, locations, and the organization in a sentence, you can use this NER. So guys, I've created a video on this NLP and we understood about the core techniques used in natural language processing. So if you're interested and want to know more about NLP, I'll put the link in the description and it will be there in the iCard or I button. Please go and have a look. So now let's discuss about few applications of this natural language processing. The first one will be machine translation. You can use this NLP to build chatbots and virtual assistants. So this NLP will be used to find out the sentiment analysis. It will be used in text summarization. It also help us to do the spam filtering. So another important use case or application is typically speech recognition. So these are the few applications of NLP or natural language processing. So let's understand the skills and the knowledge required for a successful NLP career. And the first point in this, it will be programming languages. A strong foundation in programming languages is essential for building and manipulating NLP models. A Python is more dominant language in natural language processing. Apart from this Python, you should have the familiarity or the understanding on NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, Spacy, GenSim, Stanford NLP, and TextBlob. So the second skill which you should develop is the knowledge and understanding of the linguistic and language structures or the patterns. So the knowledge of this linguistic typically helps us in the tasks like text normalization and dealing with the language nuances. And typically it will include something called as syntax and semantics of the language. And the third skill which you should develop is the machine learning fundamentals. So this NLP or the natural language processing heavily relies on the machine learning techniques for tasks like text classification, machine translation, and sentiment analysis. So it means that you should have the familiarity with supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So this supervised learning and unsupervised learning are the two techniques of machine learning. And the skill number 4, which you should possess for NLP, is data analysis and visualization skills. Now, being able to analyze and interpret the NLP model outputs and presenting the findings effectively is crucial. So this typically includes data exploration, statistical analysis, and visualization. So now let's discuss the point number 5, career paths in NLP. And you typically can choose 3 different career paths in case of natural language processing. The first one is NLP engineer. Second is data scientist and this NLP. And you have NLP researcher. Now this NLP engineer develops and implements the NLP models for various applications. They typically work closely with the data scientists and the software engineers to integrate the NLP functionalities into larger systems. On the other hand, what they will do in this specific role is they will analyze the text data and builds the NLP models to extract insights and solve the specific problems. And they possess strong skills in data manipulation, machine learning, and NLP techniques. Now, this NLP researcher pushes the boundaries of NLP research and development. They often work in the research labs, exploring new algorithms, applications, and theoretical foundations for NLP. Apart from this, there are many other exciting career paths in NLP emerging all the time. Now, the specific skills and experience required for each role will vary depending upon the industry and the company. So guys, I'll take an example of this NLP engineer. We'll go ahead and see and explore how much is the demand for this NLP engineer in the market. And also you'll see what are the roles and responsibilities the companies are expecting from this NLP engineer. So guys, you can see the screen here. So I have searched with NLP engineer here, right? And then I've taken the freshness for last 7 days. Guys, I'm not sure when you're watching this video, these requirements will be available or not, but our main focus, our main motto is to understand the demand for NLP engineers and their roles and responsibilities. Now you can see this, you have the requirement for senior NLP engineer from Ghani Innovations, which is 6 days back. Next is NLP engineer from Tech Mahindra, you can see in 6 days ago, and women's candidates preferred here. Next is the senior engineer, NLP and NLM, eval serve 1 day ago. And this is NLP engineer, conversational personality modeling, few hours ago, which is from Trakic. This is again senior machine learning engineer, NLP, Uplers, 4 days ago. This is senior software engineer in AI engineer, NLP, which is from Concentrix. This is 1 day ago. And this is senior machine learning engineer, NLP, Televel, 3 days ago. So guys, one thing which I noticed here from this particular requirement, senior machine learning engineer, NLP, from Uplers company, 4 days ago, you can see this 45 to 60 LPA. So now let's go ahead and see what's the roles and responsibilities of these NLP engineers. So now here in this case, senior NLP engineer from Ghani Innovations, right? So you can see this, Ghani is looking to hire a lead engineer with 6+ years of experience, and which typically they need a strong knowledge of NLP and hands-on experience in relevant projects. And these roles and responsibilities typically involve developing algorithms in multilingual conversational systems for intent entity detections and automated conversations. And main thing which you need to understand is the required skills, and you should see strong knowledge of NLP and hands-on experience in relevant projects. And also you see experience in machine learning platforms such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and solid programming development skills. Now this programming development skills or programming skills is very much important whether you are working in machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, or generative AI or LLMs. Now let's go ahead and see this other NLP engineer from Tech Mahindra, right? Which is basically they require 5 to 9 years of experience and one opening they have. And here you can see the job highlights, shift time they have given, and title is ML NLP engineer. Now must have skills is basically Python. So Python should be there or will be there in all of the requirements. Now they have machine learning, Amazon Web Services, and then GraphQL, ML Flow. So I'm a little bit confused about this job description, right? So the title says ML NLP engineer, but I couldn't see NLP here in this must have skills, right? So typically they say Python, ML, AWS, GraphQL, Airflow, ML Flow, and CI/CD. And here also I don't see the NLP in the job description, right? And next we'll see about senior engineer NLP and LLM. So they are asking NLM also, large language models. So this is from EvalServe, which is again one openings. So let's see what they are expecting or what is their roles and responsibilities. So here they are mentioned, right? Strong understanding of data science processes such as data investigation, cleaning, minimal viable models, and nuances related to the deployment and enhancement. This point I'm a little bit confused, like about 38 years of experience in NLP, ML, and DL. I'm not sure about this, but maybe some typo or something else. But okay. So more than so typically they require experience in NLP, machine learning, and deep learning, and demonstrated ability in developing NLP, natural language processing, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI project solutions. Now, this is very much important, guys. Hands-on experience and deep theoretical expertise in NLU, which is nothing but natural language understanding, natural language processing, natural language generation, and common NLP. And these deep learning architectures, such as this transformer and BERT, Word2Vec, FastText, and Elmo. And at the end, let's go ahead and see senior machine learning engineer NLP from UPLUS, which is paying you 45 to 60 LPA for 3 to 6 years of experience. Here in the job highlights, they've given us primary skills as collaboration, communication, CI/CD pipelines, data pre-processing, deep learning, feature engineering, model evaluation, and the natural language processing. They also mentioned reinforcement learning, TensorFlow, machine learning, NLP. Okay, this is fine. Experience with data processing, feature engineering, and model evaluation. Okay, and this typically says salary. Okay, salary is, and this is remote. So typically they have given what you will do. Let's see the project requirements. So here it says 3+ years experience in machine learning, engineering, or related field. Typically they are asking for proficiency in Python and experience with machine learning libraries such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, JAX, Spacy, NLTK. Now this Spacy, NLTK, right? These are the libraries which are used in NLP, natural language processing. They also need this Hugging Face and the transformers. And then the familiarity with deep learning, reinforcement learning, and the NLP. And also experience with pre-processing, feature engineering, and the model evaluation. And they have also given how to apply for this opportunity. Typically they say register and then clear the given AI screening, 30 minutes, and click the apply to get shortlisted. Crack the interview with our client, land your global dream job, and get your exciting career started. Okay guys, that's it from my side for this particular video. So in this video, you understood about what is natural language processing. We understood core techniques used in NLP, different applications of NLP, and skills and knowledge required for NLP career. And we saw career paths in natural language processing. And at the end, we explored how is the demand for this NLP engineer in the market. And also we saw the roles and responsibilities for this NLP engineer. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you really like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos and share with all your friends. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, and keep rocking.